The only guy on. Shift. Hurry up, get your fish in so we can cast. It's right in front of me. You ran him this way on purpose. No. That's too big, buddy.
Come on, Gary, don't say that.
I can see his fin. Look at his fin. It looks like a shark coming through. That was fucking funny. That's a nice one. Yeah. He's a good one. I think it's too big. Yeah. Oof. You hooked his face. Just swimming by. Oh, there's a fish.
Oh, yeah, he's on too. Oh, there you go.
You son of a... I can hear it, damn. Oh, the white one on top? Oh, Ben got a big one. Look at that one. Yeah. See that? Ben was trying to get everybody to leave too, see? That's why he was trying to get us to leave, Jeff. That might be a... Oh, no. As soon as you... Yeah, as soon as you picked him up, I was like, oh, no. He's big. Ben's got a monster. Are you coming towards me?
No, I'm not catching. I'm watching.
No, okay. All right, let me get my line out.
Hurry up, reel it up.
Oh, I'm on too now. Oh, not yet. See, I was looking at you.
Hey, hold on. Whoa.
That's me. Let me get it. Yeah, I was on. I was looking at Ben. I was on, Jeff. It blew up and hit my lure. That's a nice one. Nice one, Ben. Yeah. Yeah, I had one on, but I was looking at Ben. I didn't hook him. Oh, yeah, look at that fat pig, huh?
Oh, yeah, you're ready. Let's go, baby. Back in. That thing's huge.
Yeah, it is. That's a fatty.
Hey, picture somebody.
I got you on video right now. Oh, I just had a hit. Fuck. See, I'm over there looking at fucking Ben. Yeah, playing around. Fuck Ben. No, sir. Fuck Ben. Oh, yeah. That's a good cast. Yep. Wow.
Thank you. Not a problem.
Nice fish, Ben.
Yeah, not that big. Probably 38, maybe.
Oh, he's on. There you go, Herm. Shermanator. The Sherman.
don't know. There's some guy who's like into fishing tackle and shit. They call him Herman the Worm. What the hell's that? I do fishing tackle, but.
Yeah, right? Yep. Hey, started biting again, all Obus. Yeah. Oh, fatties. Maybe that map isn't accurate. Get it out there. Yeah. Yeah. That's a He's a cast string. We'll just figure it out. That's Herman. That's him.
Why does somebody say Herman the Worm?
He's literally talking about him, Jeff. That's fucking funny. Yeah, that's fucking funny. He said his last name and everything. The best is I got it recorded. The typical Rhode Island story. Fucking guys. Good old Rhode Island.
Somebody keeps saying, I was like, I don't know, man. You know?
I call him Sherman. Jackie said, are you talking about my friend Herman? Yeah. Daddy calls him Sherman. I don't call anybody by their right name. I don't know anybody's real name. That's funny. I don't know anybody's real name. Everybody has a fake name or a celebrity name. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. They're swimming in groups of like 5. Is that my lure? I got you? Somebody got me?
Oh, that's so cute.
Aww,
Oh, look at that.
they're touching.